Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add additional meta tags for Wix pages. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and we are going to add additional meta tags. On left side you see pages and menu, so click on it. And then you see side pages and menu. Then you see pages. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots. So this is our home page. Now you see about page. So click on three dot and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in page setting for about. Now you see multiple options. So click on advanced SEO. So click on it. So we are in advanced SEO and then you see multiple options. Now you see additional tags. So click on it. So we are in additional tags and then you see multiple tags. So we are going to add additional meta tags. Now you see add new tag, so click on it. Now you see new meta tag, HTML code. So paste your meta tag in HTML format. So we are going to add, now paste. So this is our HTML format. Now you see meta name, detail. So we set name is equal to detail. Now you see content. Again you see equal. So we add in meta tag, Webtask with Hassan. So you can add your text and then click on apply. Now you see new meta tag added, Webtask with Hassan. So this is a new meta tag. So you can add multiple meta tag for pages. So it's up to you. And then click on publish. So click on add new tag. So you can add meta tag in HTML code. So this is our format. Again paste. Now you see meta. So you can add your text name. And then you see content. So you can add text. So you can add title and text according to requirement. Remaining format same. And then click on apply. So you can add multiple meta tag for pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.